Assalamu alaikum. Unlocking idioms, English phrases with a Bengali twist. Explore a fantastic collection of English idioms, complete with their Bengali meanings and practical example sentences. Idiom focus. Taking things lightly. Take something with a grain of salt. Meaning in English, to view something with skepticism or to not believe it entirely. Bengali meaning, অল্প বিশ্বাস করো, literally to believe a little. Contextual use, take it with a grain of salt. Don't believe everything he says, take it with a grain of salt. This idiom advises caution when presented with new or unverified information, suggesting you should only trust a small portion of it. অর্থাৎ পুরোপুরি বিশ্বাস না করা, অল্প কিছু অংশ বিশ্বাস করা. Take it with a grain of salt. Idiom focus, delayed achievement. Late bloomer, meaning in English, a person whose talents or capabilities are not recognized or fully developed until later than usual. Bengali meaning, দেরিতে বিকশিত হওয়া ব্যক্তি, literally a person who develops late. This idiom provides encouragement that success can be found at any age. Contextual use. A late bloomer. The story of many innovators and successful figures shows that talent doesn't always emerge early. He was a late bloomer in his career but eventually found great success. Initial growth, slow start, still exploring paths. Midlife acceleration, discovery of true passion or skill. Peak success, major achievement later in life. Idiom focus, sudden cessation, a grinding hold. Meaning in English, to stop suddenly, abruptly and completely, often with difficulty or noise. Bengali meaning, হঠাৎ বন্ধ হয়ে যাওয়া, থেমে যাওয়া, literally to suddenly become stopped. Contextual use, a grinding halt, when momentum is lost due to unexpected obstacles, things come to a halt. Example, the entire construction site came to a grinding halt due to unexpected supply chain issues and extreme weather. Original example, the project came to a grinding halt due to lack of funding. অর্থাৎ অর্থের যোগানের অভাবে প্রকল্পটা আকস্মিকভাবে থেমে গেল, বন্ধ হয়ে গেল. Idiom focus, time flies, it's been a minute, meaning a long time. Bengali meaning অনেক দিন হয়ে গেছে. আমরা মনে করি যে একটু হয়তো এক মিনিট অল্প, কিন্তু আসলে না. It's been a minute মানে অনেক দিন হয়ে গেল. This phrase is used casually to remark on the length of time that has passed since a previous event or meeting. Contextual use, it's been a minute. It's been a minute since we last met. How have you been? It typically expresses surprise or nostalgia over the elapsed time. মানে আমাদের সাথে শেষ সাক্ষাৎ হওয়ার পরে অনেক সময় কেটে গেছে. More idioms, live updates. A burn in the oven. A burn in the oven, a burn in the oven. এর অর্থ হলো to be pregnant অর্থাৎ গর্ভবতী হওয়া. Word is bond, কথা হলো প্রতিজ্ঞা, মানে কথাই. A promise is a guarantee, my word is trustworthy. Today years old, এইমাত্র জানতে পারলাম, এইমাত্র শুনলাম. Used when you learn surprising basic information later than you feel you should have. Thank you.